Chilliwack, this is a thunderstorm. Not like that boom crash bullshit that you guys do. Okay, hang on.
They all seem to be like right over there.
Yeah. Then again, no, there was a flash this way too. But I don't want to be in the middle of anywhere. You know, I have a feeling it's right above us right now. It feels like it's right above us.
It's starting to rain.
Yeah. No, you got your flash over there.
Don't want it over there. I want it there.
We're under a warning, I think, tonight.
Yeah, if you look that way, it's 90% over there.
You point that. Whoa! I really hope I got that. Okay, Chilliwack, this is a thunderstorm.
You want another one right there?
Maybe. Fuck off.
A little closer next time. Right between those trees.
You know what I'm going to mark this as? Our first thunderstorm back in Alberta. Our first actual thunderstorm. Okay there, Thor.
A little closer now. Top of these trees.
Can't even see you, Miles. That one was behind us because it flashed off the light, off the. I'm telling you, this thing is right above us.
Find it funny if one came straight down and hit that light post over there.
Oh, like the last time we were here?